hindi ko kaya. Hindi pa nga nagsisimula, eh. Okay. Okay. You can dance, you can drive, having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl, oh, watch that scene, she is... Wala na. Ang bigat. Try ko ulit mamaya. Diba? Ang hirap. Ay, hindi ko nga, alam mo, ang galing nung mga nagte-TikTok na 2 beses pa nila ginagawa yung kantang yun. Diba? Okay. Feeling ko kailangan ko talagang huminga, as in hinga ng malalim. You can dance, you can drive, having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl, oh, watch that scene, she is the dancing queen. Nawala na ako sa dulo. Pero yun, nagawa ko siya. Ang hirap. Ayan, so nag-record telepathy. Ambot. Ewan. Yun lang. Guys, sa mga marunong mag-Bisaya, guys, paturo po. Yes, ambot lang alam ko. 12K na nanonood. Ngayon ko lang nakikita yung sa gift. Nagkaon ka na? Tama, di ba? Nagkaon ka na. Kaon na dira. Oh, maayong buntag. Yan, maayong buntag. Good afternoon, naman. Tapos good evening na rin. Wait, next song muna tayo. Ako marunong mag-Ilocano. Can you sing perfect? Sure, I'll sing it after this song. Hirap. Guys, sorry po if magkamali ako. Okay, 안녕하세요. 저는 벨입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. ganun. 당신이 이름이 무엇입니까? Kaso parang formal ata, 'di ba yung formal ata yung 당신의 이름이 무엇입니까? 'Di ba? Parang yun yung what's your name in Korean. Pwedeng 이름이 뭐야? Ay, hindi pa ako marunong magbasa ng Korean. Pero actually, guys, kwento ko sa inyo, inaral ko siya actually before, di ba? I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong. I think they have 49 characters. Ayun. Je suis gentil de voir de te rencontrer. Ayun lang alam ko. Okay, ito, kakantayin ko na yung perfect para sa nag-request. You are perfect. Wow. 15 hours ago. Sana kaya ng boses ko. Tagasan daw ako sa Bataan. I'm from Pilar, Bataan. Found the love. Ang taas nito. Pag kinuha ko siya ng mababa siya. Ito. Gusto ko yung may paklap pa sa simula. Wow, 14K na pong nanonood sa atin. found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. I found a boy, beautiful and sweet. Oh, I never knew you were that someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, but darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. You look perfect tonight. Well, I found a man stronger than anyone I know. He shares my dreams that I hope someday I'll share him home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We were so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Oh, di ba dinagdagan ko ng ganun? Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Deserve this. You look perfect tonight. Paano tong no part na to? May no siya.
Kahit na mata ko